What's up, guys? Here's the onion juice we prepared the other time. I preserved it in the freezer, and today I'm going to be showing you how I use this to grow my edges. For those of you who missed how to prepare this, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Shake to mix everything together, and then you apply with a cotton ball, or you can choose spray bottle. I didn't use a spray bottle because it's going to make the substance rain all over my face. Guys, this doesn't smell at all. I know most of you cannot stand the smell of onion juice, so when preparing this, just mask the smell with an essential oil and you are good to go. Using the cotton ball also has a disadvantage. I realized the cotton was soaking up the product rather than like releasing it onto my hairline. So let's switch it up a bit. Let's use our fingers rather. I don't know what onion juice does for the face, so I'm just going to wipe off the excess on my forehead, and then I'll proceed to base my scalp with carrot and avocado oil. How to prepare this, I'll leave a link in the description box. Some people choose to apply the onion juice all through their hair, but I just want to base my scalp with the carrot and avocado oil. If you have a light hair texture like me, I recommend carrot and avocado oil. A consistent use is really going to thicken your hair. Finally, I'll cover with a shower cap, making sure the elastic band doesn't rest on my hairline but on my forehead. I'll wait for like 2 hours and then wash off with my shampoo, and then I'm done. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.